Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about IBPS S4 2021 notification. Specialist officers in various banks. So this recruitment can be done through a common recruitment process which was conducted by Institute of Banking Personnel Selection IBPS for the year of 2021 to 22. So here we have some posts around 6 posts are there. IT officer scale 1, agricultural field officer scale 1, Rajbhasha Adhikari scale 1, law officer scale 1, and HR personal officer scale 1, marketing officer scale 1. These are the various posts. So the tentative exam date in December 2020 or January 2021. So these are the participating organizations: Bank of Baroda and Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, and Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, Punjab, and Sindh Bank. Okay, so these are the important dates. Okay, these are the important dates. So online registration including edit and modification of application by candidates, that is from 2nd November 2020 to 23rd November 2020. Fee payment last date also same, and download of call letters from this for online examination, that is December 2020. Online preliminary exam, these are the tentative dates: 26/12/2020 to 27/12/2020. So result of online exam January, and download of call letters for online exam for mains January 2021. Online examination mains 24. Just these two are important. Preliminary exam 26th December 2020 to 27th December 2020. Mains examination 24th January 2021. Okay, so these are the important dates, and application last date is 23rd November 2020. Even online fee payment also same thing. And when it comes to eligibility criteria, okay, so just you go through these particular things, and age requirements: a minimum 20 years, maximum 30 years. Okay, and educational qualifications. So for IT officer scale 1, so minimum age 20 years, max 30, and these are the educational qualification: 4 years of engineering and technology degree in computer science and computer applications, or information technology, or electronics and telecommunication, or electronics and communication, or electronics and instrumentation. Otherwise postgraduate degree in electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, computer science, information technology, otherwise computer applications, or graduate having passed DOEAC ACC B level. Okay, next, agricultural field officer, so age requirements are same, and 4-year degree in agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, veterinary science, dairy science, fishery science, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation and banking, agroforestry and forestry, agricultural biotechnology, food science, agricultural business management, food technology, dairy technology, agricultural engineering and sericulture. And Rajbhasha Adhikari scale 1, age requirement same, and postgraduate degree in Hindi with English as a subject at the degree or graduation level, or postgraduate degree in Sanskrit with English and Hindi as subjects at the degree level. Law officer scale 1, a bachelor degree in law LLB and enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council. HR or personal officer scale 1, graduate and 2 years full-time postgraduate degree or 2 years full-time postgraduate diploma in personal management, industrial relations, HR, HRD, social work and labours law. Marketing officers, graduate and 2 years full-time MMS, 2 years full-time MBA marketing, 2 years full-time PGD BA, PGD BM, PGPM, PGDM with specialization in marketing. These all are PG diploma courses. Okay, these are the educational qualifications for these 6 posts, and age requirement is same, 20 minimum, 30 is the maximum, and so these are the age relaxations for various categories. This is always same for all the exams. So this is the exam pattern. So common recruitment process, online examination. The first one, preliminary examination. Okay, so for the post of law officers and Rajbhasha Adhikari, so here we have 3 sections: in English language, reasoning, general awareness with a special reference to banking. In this is only for law officers and Rajbhasha Adhikari. So number of questions 50 50 50, and maximum marks 25 50 50, and medium of exam The first English language in English, and remaining two sections are English or Hindi. English and Hindi, and both the languages are available, so you can choose any one. Okay, and the duration of each section is 40 minutes. This is time restricted sectional things, and total 150 questions, 125 marks, and minutes is total 120 minutes. Okay, this is only for law officers and Rajbhasha Adhikari. When it comes to remaining posts like IT officer, agriculture, and agriculture field officer, HR personal officer, and marketing officer, for all those posts. Okay, so here English language, reasoning, quantitative aptitude. So the difference here, general awareness with special reference to banking industry, and for these for 5 posts, IT and agriculture and HR personal and marketing officer, for all these posts quantitative aptitude is different, and all 50 questions completely, and marks 25, 50, and English and Hindi, 40 minutes. Okay, total 120 minutes, so 125 marks and 150 questions, right? So and this is preliminary exam. When it comes to main examination, okay, so here for all the posts except Rajbhasha Adhikari, professional knowledge is the main examination. So total questions 60 questions and maximum of 60. Medium is English and Hindi, and duration total 45 minutes. 60 questions, 45 minutes, and 60 marks. Okay, and when it comes to Rajbhasha Adhikari, for this we have objective and descriptive. Both are comes under in the mains examination. Professional knowledge objective, professional knowledge descriptive. Okay, professional knowledge objective 45 multiple choice questions. Okay, and when it comes to professional knowledge descriptive, two questions. Okay, maximum of 60. Here 30 minutes. Okay, and medium of exam English as well as Hindi. Okay, so this is regarding preliminary and mains examination of IBPS, common recruitment process of specialist officers. Just check this point. Okay, so marks obtained in the online main examination only will be considered for shortlisting for interview and also for final merit listing. Okay, and this is one important section. Okay, so items permitted into the venue for candidates. Okay, so masks and gloves, personal transparent water bottle, personal hand sanitizer, a simple pen, exam related documents, call letter, and ID proof. Okay, these are the required things to carry the examination hall. Okay, so these are the individual vacancies, corresponding posts. So just you can go through these vacancies, and second and next thing, so these are the examination centers once you go through this particular section. So this is self declaration form. So when you are moving to examination hall, so if you can bring you can carry this self declaration form. Okay, this is mandatory after COVID-19. Okay, so this is regarding specialist officers through common recruitment process of IBPS. Okay, so for further updates please subscribe my channel. Okay, and share this information to your friends, whichever is required, and thank you.